Ah. Oh, hi friends. Good morning. Ooh, what a beautiful day. Look at the view. Wow. Guess where I am? Magandang umaga sa iyo, kaibigan. This is your good friend, Mr. J. And it's a blessed Sunday as well sa ating mga kaibigan. Tagalog po tayo ngayon, mixed with a little bit of English para po to sa mga kapwa ko Pilipino na nasa vlog ko. This is not really for my foreign friends, but for my fellow Filipinos. But if you have a Filipino friend, you can have it translated. So good morning. I'm here right now in this beautiful island called Boracay. It's a blessed Sunday, and I would love to shout out to my good friend, okay? Special friend, kaibigang natatangi, okay? Uh, you know, ang ganda ng place niya, oh. Yeah, I messaged him if I can just stay for a few hours kasi I'm gonna go meet three of my good friends, new friends. They are from France sa Shangri-La Hotel Boracay. Dumating ako late na ng gabi and my good friends, they wanna pick me up. I said, no, I don't wanna trouble you. I'm just gonna stay with the other friends. And this one is a beautiful place. It's called Kayana. It's called Kayana Hotel. Shout out Kayana Hotel to my good friend who owned this place. This is it. He gave me his beautiful place, the penthouse. Wow. Sabi ko, I just want to sleep for a couple of few hours kasi I wake up very early every day. And I just need like maybe sa hallway. But he gave me his best place. Come on, man. Shout out to you, brother. Uh, Look at this. I'm just gonna tour you around. Ito yung binigay niya, no? Look, oh. Ganda, oh. So, this is good for family. Kapag baburakay kayo. And then, oh, meron pang ano si brother ko. Meron pang bathtub. It's really a VIP place. And it's on its penthouse. Third floor lang yung penthouse. But, look at the view naman, no? Look, the comfort room. This is just the best. Yeah, so, look at the view, oh. Tingnan mo naman. It's Boracay, baby. Diba? Look at the view. Yes. So it's around 6 in the morning and by around 10 a.m. My friends in Extra Shangri-La they're gonna pick me up here. I'm gonna go to the hotel. Yes. But I would rather stay here actually than in EDSA Hotel. I mean EDSA Shangri-La. No, no, not EDSA. Sorry, Shangri-La Hotel Boracay. Why am I thinking about EDSA? Anyway, magandang umaga sa inyo, friends. So this is okay. Look at the view, man. By the way, let me promote some of my products. So this is Mr. J banana chips from Haniwa, Iloilo. I'm planning to sell that in Poblacion Makati or in Makati area. So that's my plan to bring Ilonggo delicacies to Poblacion Makati. And of course, my favorite coffee every day. Simple lang po tayo, just a black stick. Okay? Ayan na natin, promote na natin to on Nescafe Classic. Okay? Anyway, wala naman, everybody drinks naman Nescafe. Tsaka nasa Poblacion Makati yung ano, yung head branch ng Nestle. I mean, yung headquarters nila nasa Rockwell, Poblacion Makati. My home, Poblacion. Napakaganda ng ano, ng Boracay. Okay? This is not really my jurisdiction as of this year. Pero meron tayong ano no, request from ating natatanging kaibigan. Alam nyo, friends, no, kapag sinabi kong natatangi kayo, you are special already in my life. Ibig sabihin, malaki yung natulong mo sa buhay ko. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-request ka sa akin, malamang sa malamang, mag-yes ako. Kasi special friend ka. Okay? So, meron akong special friend, nasa France siya, no? Ngayon, Pilipino siya 100%. Sinabi ko na siya sa mga ilang vlogs ko who he is. He's also a good mentor, a good friend who's been helping me since 2023 in all aspects of my life. Okay? Who is helping me? He is the person who saw my potential when the whole world saw my defects. Okay? When the whole world, when my relatives and friends, called me crazy. He called me genius. So I cannot say no to this guy who saw my potential 2 years ago, 2023, while the whole world shut me down. Okay? So, and besides, maganda naman yung ano niya eh. Yung hiningi niya eh. And by the way, all expense paid naman. So, why not? Oh, share ko sa inyo. Yun oh, puro cards lang, walang cash. Yung kaibigan niya walang pera ngayon. Zinero na natin yung bank account natin kasi pinamigay na natin sa mga mga nangangailangan talaga. So kung ano, gusto niyo talaga humingi sa akin ng cash ngayon, medyo tagilid tayo ngayon, but meron tayong mga kakayahan na higit pa sa pera, na siya namang kinakatuwa ng ating mga natatanging friends. Kaya they are willing to sponsor us. Kasi meron tayong X-Deal. Yun, yung gusto ko share sa inyo today. X-Deal. Ano yung X-Deal? Hindi naman ibig sabihin lahat pera eh. Kunyari, dito ngayon, nakatira ako dito. And I'm promoting the place, by the way. Okay? Let me promote yung place ng friend ko. Yan, no. O parang hari ka, oh. Pag ano mo, paglabas mo, wow, oh. And then you gotta have the sunrise, no? Ha? Ganda, oh. Nasa third station to, malapit kang sa port talaga. Pwede kang mga maglakad eh. Okay? Tingnan mo, merong bed, oh. One, single bed. Okay, I think this is queen or king type bed. Pang couple type. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Doon pagkagaya kita, ito kanina, nagchichill-chill ako dito, pwede kong matulog dito. This is really good for family or maramihang group. I'm planning to bring my family here one day, and I'm planning to bring also my my college batchmates, the Savior's batch. Shout out sa St. Camille's College Seminary. Yung ilan mga pari, I promise kasi sa kanila dati na kung sino man yung magpapari, ililibre ko. So we're gonna find time sa lahat ng mga fathers yan. 6 naging pari out of 28. Actually 49 kami total. Yung iba, yung nag-graduate lang 28. And out of 28, 6 yung naging pari sa iba't ibang congregation. And I pledge na, if pagpalain ako ng Diyos, na ililibre ko sila, all expense paid, papunta sa Boracay. Saka sa mga brothers ko na naman, no, kaya nyo naman pumunta ng Boracay, gusto nyo sumama, hindi ko na kayo lilibre, magbayad naman kayo. So, yun. Yan. Ganda, oh. Uy, tingnan mo, may mga lamps pa, oh. Yan. Grabe talaga yung bigay ng natatangi kong friend, no. Shout out sa iyo, no. Code name, Agent 997. Sa, no, siya, British siya, no. Agent 997, and then, Filipino siya. So God bless you, brother. Thank you so much for sharing your blessing here and showing me this place. I hope na you're gonna have more sales through this video, na ma-inform sila. Napakaganda. Third station, no? Nasa beach na tayo, White Sand now. Yan, no? Early morning, okay, of August 10, 2025. Yun. Alright, medyo marami na akong ngayon, sinishare kasi Sunday naman eh. Sana panoorin nyo naman yung vlog ko, mag-comment naman kayo, anything. Hindi pa rin talaga ako binabayaran ng Facebook hanggang ngayon at saka ng YouTube. So, you'll put my link on YouTube here and then you subscribe Kasi yung magmahabang videos usually, para kinakat ng Facebook yata. Okay? So, God bless guys. Ito, mag-chips ako, Mr. J Chips. And then favorite black coffee ko, walang sugar, walang creamer. Yan. And mamaya baka maghanap ako ng kalaban dito, billiard, no? Kasi nagpa-practice ako for my games, upcoming games sa Makati. Okay, guys. A blessed Sunday. Ako talaga, I'll just meet a lot of people here today. Isang araw sa akin, I maximize it. Parang 5 days sa ordinaryong tao. So, I'll leave a gem sa inyo today. Na kunyari, kagaya ko kayo, walang pera ngayon. Like zero money ngayon. Kunyari lang, no? Paano ka to have this motivated mindset or heart na hindi ka natatakot mawalan ng pera. So first things first is that you need to have a relationship with God. Talaga, na bumalik ka sa Diyos. When you have God in your life, you will no longer be afraid. The sign that the devil or the demon, the adversary of God, kalaban ng Diyos, lahat naman ng religion na hindi satanic, lahat ng religion proves that there is really the devil. May kalaban talaga. Whoever the God you believe in, Allah, Yahweh, so whoever the God that you believe in, there is always an adversary, and that's our common enemy. And the common enemy has no place in our heart if we have the one true God in our heart. Wala kang fear sa pera na mawalan ka or mawalan ka na. Wala akong, like, look, I have no business here sa Boracay. But here I am in Boracay. I supposed to be in Poblacion, Makati. And yung message yung natatanging kaibigan ko, yeah, you know, assist these three, I call them three stooges, okay? All expense paid. Yun lang, wala ka lang cash. I understand naman kasi walang cash kasi meron yun nga, meron nga nangyari, 'di ba? I accumulated several enemies. Yung isa pa relative ko pa naging from a small 4 of clubs, naging 6 of clubs, naging 8 of clubs sila. Ngayon naging 10 of clubs sila. So anyway, they're no longer part of my mind. Pinasa Diyos ko na sila. Bahala na sila, bahala na yung Diyos sa kanila. I'm for bigger things sa buhay. Mawalan man ako ng pera, mawalan man ako ng tahanan, no? Mawala man sa akin lahat. Kagaya na nangyari sa akin in 2023, nawala sa akin lahat, no? I always have two persons in my life. The one true God and my true self. And then another third one, I'll meet true friends. And I have these three in my life right now. One true God, my true self, and my true friends. Tunay ko ba kayong kaibigan? Kasi if tunay ko kayong kaibigan, I'll bring you here. You might get a discount sa mga true friends ko rin if you are Mr. J's true friend. So, God bless you. Have a blessed Sunday and enjoy. Let's enjoy Boracay. Ganda, ganda ng Boracay. Ibigin mo ang Pilipinas.